Hi guys, today we talk about Oppo F25 Pro. It's launched on March 2024. The dimensions of Oppo F25 Pro: height 6.34 inches, width 2.94 inches, thickness 7.5 mm. The weight is 177 grams, and the build: front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of this device, it comes with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is 6.7 inches, and the screen to body ratio is 89.8%. The resolution is 1080p and the refresh rate 120Hz with 1100 nits peak of brightness, and it comes with Panda Glass protection. Let's talk about her platform. It comes with Android 14 and MediaTek Dimensity 7056nm chipset. The GPU is Mali G68 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78. The memory of this device, it comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 to 56 GB of ROM, and it supports micro SD card. And the camera of this device, it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 64 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's record 4K 30fps with main cameras. The selfie camera of this device, it comes with 32 megapixel, and the battery of this device is 5000 mAh battery. The charging is 67 watt wired, no wireless charging, and 10 watt reverse wired charging. The feature of this device, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, infrared port, UFS 3.1 and IP65 dust water resistant rating. And the price of F25 Pro is $350.